Well, it's been more than a year since the former Indian Lake Police Chief John Chambers was convicted of tampering with government records with intent to defraud.
Today, the 13th Court of Appeals is upholding that conviction, but the case could end up back in court. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez is in Indian Lake.
The 14 counts of tampering with government records will stick unless John Chambers once again decides to fight the court's decision. As of today, he has 15 days to once again appeal his case. We reached out to John Chambers for comment, but he directed us to his San Antonio attorney, Chad Van Brunt. Van Brunt tells us they are in disagreement with 13th Court of Appeals Judge Dory Contreras' opinion on her interpretation of the law in this case. He says they will be moving forward to contest it. Back in 2015, Chambers was arrested when he was police chief here in Indian Lake for falsifying information for reserve police officers. According to court documents, Chambers directed another officer to change the reservist documents to show that they had successfully passed a firearms proficiency course when they had not. In March of 2015, Chambers resigned his position as police chief of Indian Lake. When he was convicted by a jury in the 103rd State District Court in 2016, he was forced to give up his peace officer's license. Van Brunt tells us they now have two options. They can request a review on this case from all of the justices on the 13th Court of Appeals, or they can send the case to the Court of Criminal Appeals in Austin. When Chambers was originally sentenced, he was given a 5 years probation sentence and a $2,500 fine. He is fighting this case in part because with that conviction on his record, he cannot obtain a peace officer's license. From Indian Lake, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.